Do it, yeah, do it like that. Hi guys, welcome back to Lewis the Travel Spotter. How are you all doing? I am doing really well. First of all guys, I just want to thank all of you. I would like to thank all of you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It means so much to me. It means so much to me that all of you have subscribed, all of you have stuck with my YouTube channel, and all of you have been supporting me all these years. So honestly guys, I really do want to thank you so much for it. It means so much to me. So yes, without further ado, it's time for the commentary. Here we go. Hello and welcome to an episode of Buses App. Today, as you can see there, we are at Leeds City Bus Station, located in the centre of Leeds, where we'll be seeing services by the 36, Coastliner, First Leeds, First Bradford, Arriva, Megabus, the Flyer, Coaches, Take the National Express, and much more. So without further ado guys, let's get started here at Leeds City Bus Station. So as you can see there, just arriving in is a 36, which is my local bus coming in, which is going to be forming a 36 service bound for Ripon, Harrogate and Ripon. Oh, that is Bill. Thank you so much for that honk from Yankee Junction 61, Oxford Bravo Romeo. So again, thank you so much for that. Here we got the X6 for for the Bradford line. This is MD71 Echo Oxford Kilo. Behind it is a Coastliner for York Fen Whitby. So, and behind it is the Arriva. Yes guys, we started. Oh, good shot. Yes, got it in shot. Thank you. Off goes to Wakefield 110. There's the Megabus. So yes guys, this is again honks. That's two honks of two buses. Oh guys, welcome back to the episode. Now arriving in is the first Halifax, which no doubt will be forming the service to Halifax. There goes the Arriva Sapphire. Off goes a Transpennine Express service bound for Saltburn. Now backing out is again a First Bradford. Can we get a honk off the First Bradford? '72 to Bradford. No honk. Here is an airline 60. So in comes the Airline 60 from Keighley. Terminating in is one of the Leeds buses. Arriving in is a Reaver, and the next one is a Reaver. And out coming in is another Keighley bus company. Yes guys, this is it, we hit the evening rush hour. And yes guys, at the end of this video I'm going to announce to you all where the Christmas special is going to be. And then in the Christmas special I'm going to announce where next January's session is. Yes guys, that's right, we are continuing next year. Oh, is this who I think it is? Choo choo choo, come on the mega bus, yeah. Backing out is the first Halifax. Here's the first Halifax. Right, we're going to get honks. We've got to keep going. Aviva Sapphire. Oh God. So this is the 508 Ordsall, Shelf and Halifax. Along behind it is the 165. And next to it, oh, Megabus. Following that is a Wakefield 110. Yes guys, that's right, buses everywhere. So far no National Expresses, but guys, at 12:30 I have to go and do some shopping, then have lunch. Then after that I'm coming back to it. So at the moment we've got 36 Leeds City, another Leeds, another Keighley, Aviva, and I can't see what else. So now backing out is the Keighley and the first Leeds. No, Aviva. What am I on about? God, that was a fast turn around. Here's a Reaver. Oh, it's a funny name. It's off to Crackheaton. Don't be confused by chickens, but yeah, it's Crackheaton.